Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Codex CLI versus Cursor. Best AI coding assistant. Codex CLI and Cursor are two standout AI coding assistants, but each fits a different type of developer. Codex CLI is a terminal-first AI tool, perfect for coders who prefer speed, focus, and working inside the command line. It's fast, lightweight, and ideal for quick prompts, code snippets, and unique style scripting. However, it lacks a GUI, doesn't offer a deep context unless manually fed, and isn't built for team collaboration or visual debugging. On the other hand, Cursor is a fully integrated AI enhanced code editor built on Visual Studio Code. It offers deep context awareness, chat, autocomplete, code search, and refactoring, all inside a familiar IDE. It's powerful for large projects and teams, though heavier on resources and not ideal for minimalist workflows. So if you want fast, distraction-free terminal coding, go with Codex CLI. But if you're after a rich, collaborative, context-aware experience, Cursor is a top choice for you. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.